Hello everyone. So this is continuation of the EKS series where we created clusters on EKS. Today, so in the last two videos, we created a EKS cluster, then we added two nodes to it, right? And if you have not seen those videos, just go through that before looking at this one. So in this node, we will look at how to upgrade the cluster. So I have this demo cluster here, okay, and if you see, it says new cluster version is available. So my current cluster version is 1.23. Okay, so I have a cluster and then I have two nodes, okay, and then I also have couple of pods running on it. Right, so I've just created some basic nginx pod, and they are running on both the nodes. So let's look at how we can upgrade it. So I will click here, update. So these are two cluster nodes, okay, and this is the cluster. So I can click here, update now. So as you can see, my current version is 1.23 and it's saying go to 1.24. So I will go for 1.24 first. Click on update. Right, so now my cluster will start upgrading. So we can see this is the update that is in progress. Now let's look at our pods. Are they available when this is getting upgraded? So my pods are still running and they are running from last 10 minutes. My nodes are still available. So I haven't seen any of the pods getting terminated till now. Okay. Yes, they are still running, all of it. So I will go here again. It takes a couple of while. It sometimes takes 10 to 15 minutes as well. But yeah, it's quite a smooth process. Yes, so my pods are still running. They are running from last 11 minutes. And we will wait for the cluster to get upgraded. So the process is, first we will upgrade the main cluster and once the main cluster is upgraded, then we will upgrade the nodes. Okay, so we'll go by step. So alright, after 10 minutes my cluster has got upgraded and the pods are still running. Okay, so now I will go to the compute section, right, and we see that we have these node groups. Now we need to upgrade the node group. Click on update now. So now what it will do, it will say update your release to latest version for your 1.24. So what would be the strategy? Rolling update. So we'll go for update. Now this will create new nodes and then the pods will be terminated and created on the new nodes. Okay, so let's see how it goes. For now I have my pods that are still running on the old nodes. Okay, but you will see that new nodes are getting created and the old nodes will not be there after a while. So let's monitor our pods. And I just have 2 nodes for now. So we can see that another 2 nodes are actually coming up, which are not ready. Okay, and the older ones are still there. Let's look at our pods. So my pods are still running for now. Okay. So my other nodes are ready as well. That was fairly quick. Now the pods are still on the old node 140 and 125. And so this 140 and 125 are my old nodes, right? You can see they are running from last 52 minutes, and these are the 2 nodes that are still coming up. So we saw that it's like a rolling update, so not all pods were actually moved out. Okay, so you still see that 125 is still available, right? And the other one is moved. So let's see again. Yes, so my pod is still available and other 2 are actually moved to a different node now. So one is ready and scheduling disabled. So 125 and 140 now are in the state ready and scheduling disabled, and the other 2 are ready. So my all the pods have, so still my this 125 is there, other 2 have moved. It takes a while for this process. Now one of the nodes is terminated, and we can see that the last part that was there, this one which was on 126, has also moved, and it has moved to a new node now on 22. So like we saw, it was a rolling update where the pods got terminated and then they got created on the new node. And now the old nodes will be terminated. So we just have 3 nodes now. This will also actually get terminated in a while, and then I will have only 2 nodes. Alright, if I go here and if I check again, so as you can see, we just have 2 nodes now. All the other nodes are gone. and my cluster is now ready. This node group. Should be done fairly quickly now because all the nodes are done, even the clusters have moved. Sorry, the pods have moved. So I'm on 1.2404 version now. So now my